We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hi, my name is John with Onyx Imaging. Today we're looking at an HP NV Pro 6458 printer, and today we're going to show you how to clean the scanner glass. So if you've ever noticed whenever you're making copies or scans you're getting lines and blemishes on the pages, most of the time that's going to be due to the scanner glass being dirty. So today we're going to show you how easy it is to actually go and clean it and take care of it. And the first thing you're going to want to do is go ahead and open the top of your scanner. Now once you do that, you notice that you actually have two separate pieces of glass. You have your large flatbed scanner for doing your face down copies, and then there's a small strip of glass here on the left side of the printer. And what that's for is whenever you're using this top document feeder to do any of your copying or scanning, all that's actually being scanned or copied right here on this small piece of glass on the left side of the printer. So the reason I bring that up is depending on when you're noticing those blemishes occurring, when you're doing your face down copies or when you're using the top document feeder, that's going to help you figure out which piece of glass you really need to focus most of your cleaning on, and just kind of make it a little bit easier. So it's just a good troubleshooting tip for you. Now once you have that figured out, what you're going to need is your favorite glass cleaner. If you don't have a glass cleaner available, you can use something like rubbing alcohol and a lint-free cloth. And the biggest tip I can give you is to please never apply the cleaner directly to the glass on the printer. You always want to apply the cleaner directly to your cloth. When you apply the cleaner directly to the glass of the printer, you run a high risk of it seeping underneath the glass, and if it does that, you can cause a lot more problems than you started with. So please, always apply your cleaner directly to your cloth and never to the printer. Now once you have your cleaner on your cloth, you're just going to go ahead and wipe off the glass, making sure to remove any fingerprints, dust, any kind of ink buildup, whiteout buildup, anything like that. Keep in mind some of those are a little harder to get off and you have to go over them a little bit more, but you can do it. Alright. So again, just give everything a good wipe down and give it a visual inspection. Make sure you don't see anything still on the glass. If you still see any dark spots or any little lines or anything on the glass, just go back over and clean them one more time. And once you're happy with the way it looks, then you're good to go. And once you're happy with even with the way the glass looks, I would recommend doing a test copy or a test scan. Probably using both methods since we cleaned both pieces of glass here today. And making sure that all those blemishes went away. You're not getting anything. If all your blemishes went away, then you're good to go. If you're still getting some slight little blemishes, then there's still probably something on that glass that's just a little hard to see. Go and repeat that cleaning process one more time. That should get that taken care of. Other than that, if you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to give Onyx a call and we'll be glad to try to help you out with those. Also, if there's any way we can help provide you with any office supplies or printer supplies, please feel free to reach out to Onyx. We'd love to help provide those for you as well. And we hope you have a great day and you're back up and printing. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.